Technical characteristics of electrical wires according to their thickness. The electrical current capacity that a wire can withstand depends on several factors, including its thickness, gauge, conductive material, insulation, and installation conditions. Below, I present a general relationship between wire thickness, gauge, and supported current capacity for wires commonly used in residential electrical installations. Here is a general list of the most common electrical cables, organized by their gauge and current capacity. 1. Gauge, 1 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 10 to 15 amps. 2. Gauge, 1.5 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 15 to 20 amps. 3. Gauge, 2.5 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 20 to 25 amps. 4. Gauge, 4 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 35 to 40 amps. 5. Gauge, 6 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 50 to 55 amps. 6. Gauge, 10 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 70 to 80 amps. 7. Gauge, 16 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 90 to 100 amps. 8. Gauge, 25 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 120 to 135 amps. 9. Gauge, 35 mm square. Current capacity, approximately 150 to 170 amps. 10. Gauge, 50 mm superscript 2. Current capacity, approximately 195 to 220 amps. These values are estimates and may vary depending on exact wire specifications, local codes, and installation conditions. Always consult local electrical codes and manufacturer specifications to ensure correct cable selection for a given application. Furthermore, for more complex or industrial electrical installations, it is recommended that you consult a professional electrician or electrical engineer. Write on the channel, activate the bell, share, leave your like.